Hey there, what's going on out there in the world? This is actually a product that I've just started using about a week ago. It is the Kiss Brush On Strip Lash Adhesive. It's a latex free, and I was in search of another eyelash glue for the strips that I have. And usually I would get a black kind, but this time I decided to go ahead and try a clear. And the store that I was in just happened to have Kiss products, so I figured, what the heck, let's try it, because it's got a super strong hold and it dries clear, so absolutely. And you can see it's only 0.176 ounces. It's very tiny, and what really made me want to get it is the brush applicator for a thin, precise glue line. That comes in handy. So this is the actual product here. Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and it also has aloe, formaldehyde free, latex free. Because who wants formaldehyde close to their eyes? No one. While we are putting this close to our eyes, we definitely don't want to get it in there. And we will go over everything else. So like I said, I've only had it for about a week now, and I actually like it. Like I have tried other clear adhesives that are supposed to dry clear, but then they don't really dry clear. They kind of dry white, and then you kind of have like this white crust thing going, but this one actually doesn't, so I was pleasantly surprised. But I figured with it being a Kiss product that it should do pretty good. At least I was hoping. So when you purchase or order the product, it is going to come in its packaging here. And it's very easy to open, not like Fort Knox like some of them can be. And as you can see, it's contact lens friendly. The aloe's soothing properties deliver a non-irritating, secure hold. It's hypoallergenic, which is good for people like me. And let's see, here's the ingredients at the bottom. Pretty typical, but however, I always have to look for things like wheat germ or anything like that, in case you do happen to have celiac or allergies. And you can go to kissusa.com to get more information about Kiss products. So you can see it was made in Korea. And Kiss is actually like one of the largest manufacturers and distributors of really high quality nail products. But along with having a wide range of different nail products, they also do have a line of lashes, like lash clusters and lash strips, and also the glues. And they are available in over 90 countries worldwide. So Kiss is actually definitely a really big company when it comes to nail products, and now eyelashes and eyelash glue. The company was actually founded in 1989, and they are based in Port Washington, New York. So we are going to take a look at the glue, and it's very tiny, as you can see, nice and cute. Very easily will go into your makeup kit, your purse. Travels really well, of course, because it's so tiny. It meets all the TSA requirements. There we go. So it is white right now. There we go. It's white right now, but once it goes onto a lash, which I will show you, and I really like the tiny little tip there. and you really don't need much. So bottles of lash glue really can last you for a long time, even if you wear lashes pretty much every day like I do. Okay, so let's show what it looks like on lashes. I'm going to get one of my, I've still got a lot to work with, so definitely want to wipe some on the edge of the bottle. And then you just apply a thin line. Oops, need some more. There we go. Apply a thin line along the strip. There we go. Okay, so I've got my thin line going there. Then you're going to wait about 20 to 30 seconds. Like, you're going to want the white to start to get clear, and the glue will go from very liquidy to a more tacky substance. So once that starts to happen, then you are ready to apply your lash along your lash line, and you are good to go. And I really like that it has this applicator because it makes it easy to kind of, you know, if you're really good with your hands and have steady hands, you can get into the little corners and apply just a little dab of glue if you need to, instead of taking off your whole lash and starting over. So you can perfect your lash and you are all done. So that was the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe, the clear kind. Thanks for watching.